had a great, adventurous time tailored to our needs during this private tour. Our knowledgeable guide, and a driver at the same time, Mustafa, was incredibly kind, flexible and professional throughout the day. He provided us with lots of valuable insights about the island's history, culture and wildlife. We are very grateful to Mustafa for making this stay truly special to us. He even drove back to our hotel to hand in my phone, which I forgot to take with me at the end of the tour, as I often do, which I am forever grateful to him and to the local tour agent, who acted swiftly and efficiently, as soon as we realized I had left my phone in the car. Many thanks Mustafa and tour. We had a fantastic day with our guide, Mustafa. He was very knowledgeable about the area and history, courteous, funny, patient, accommodating and flexible. He gave us a fantastic overview of the southern region. Thank you. There are many tortoises here. Stroking a tortoise is a wonderful experience. The circular path is interesting. Everything is beautiful. Fab trip. Would highly recommend. Great way to see the south of the island. The driver was great. Friendly and informative. The driver was such a sweet and kind man. He made a nice tour for us and was a very good driver. We really liked the tour and spending good time with this lovely gentleman. Thank you. Feeding the giant tortoises at Vanille Nature Park was a wonderful experience. Gree Beach, with its huge waves crashing on the shore, was impressive. Rochester Falls is also well worth seeing, and we were treated to fresh fruit, pineapple, mango, and papaya there. A big thank you to our driver, Wenu, from Sega Tours. He showed us some other beautiful places and gave us a fantastic tip for visiting La Vallée des Couleurs. We took a buggy ride there, and it was amazing. Highly recommended for families to enjoy a full day that can be remembered. People working there are extremely helpful and will guide you through all activities. I would have given this trip 5 stars except the food at the restaurant was terrible. Our driver and guide Musafar was amazing and had a wealth of knowledge about the history and present day of the island. We didn't get to visit 2 of the destinations on the itinerary as the road was closed for one and the other there wasn't any parking available, but that wasn't a problem as our guide took us to other spots of equal beauty. If you are lucky enough to get him, then I can almost guarantee you won't be disappointed with the care and attention to details he gives you. Can't praise him enough. I can't fault anything about this trip other than the restaurant experience, so please Saga choose a different place for fellow travelers to eat.